Now we will focus on the height of the triangle in this video. See, whenever we have a when we whenever we have a triangle like this, it is easy to find out its height. No, triangle like this, I mean, when we can handle the triangle in our hands, when we can. When there is a cutout actually. So what's the height of this triangle? We can easily measure. It's a perpendicular distance from vertex to the bottom, okay, somewhat like this. So it is basically, it reads 7.5, but it's gonna be 7 because here we have some extra space before 0. So it's one height, okay. But if we change the base, the height changes. It's very lengthy. If you see, it's the height is too much, no? Okay, so let's measure this height. If I measure this height, how should I measure it? From the base till the height, till the top, okay. And if I tell you, this is about 11 centimeter, okay. Now here you can see, it is pointing in this direction. The vertex is going in this direction above, okay. So in this direction, so I have to measure the height like this, no, somewhat like this, okay. So this is the height corresponding to this base, okay. And if I move it like this, so we have one more height corresponding to base AB, okay. And this is the height. So we can measure all the three heights. Here also you can see the height is about 4 cent. Yeah, it is no, it's 4 inches, means 10 centimeter approx. So we are able to find out the height when we have a cutout, okay. But basically, when we have a triangle on the piece of paper, I've just traced out the same triangle on the piece of the paper, and moreover I was not able to draw it like this. I had to take the diagonally AC, or I should keep it like this, okay. So how do we find out the height? See, medians and all, they all are easy to find out, no. If I focus on this triangle here, what's the median of this triangle? So median is from vertex till the midpoint, no. This is the median, no. Similarly, we can draw angle bisector. It's somewhat like this, okay. How to draw the height? Okay, if it would be a cutout, we would have made it stand over the base BC. But how should we do it now? Okay, and if it would be drawn on the table itself, and it's somewhat like this, median can be easily drawn because we just have to go from vertex to the midpoint. But how to draw the height? Okay, if we so how should we do it actually? See, this is the base, means it has to stand on this, okay. So what you should do basically, to draw the height correctly, for the correct vision, you should extend the base like this, okay. We do have a tendency to see the base towards ourselves. We see this as the base, okay. But when we cannot move our triangle, we should change our perspective and we should move like this, okay. If you do not want to change your position, then keep a scale like this, so that you can set in your mind that this is the base, okay. Either you must move in this direction and look the triangle from this side, okay. So here, what's the height of the triangle from top till the bottom, okay. From top till the bottom, this is the height of the triangle. So when it is on paper, this is how you have to draw it, okay. This is not the height, okay. And some of you might think this is the height. No, this is not the height. This is with respect to this base here. आप अपनी तरफ देख रहे हैं, okay. आपको with respect to this base, you have to find out the height. Now if you have to find out the height with respect to this base, कि अगर हम इस base पे इस triangle को खड़ा करें तो क्या होगा? तो this is a long line and we are able to see it, okay. So how can you see the base? you can see the base like now this is the height of the triangle, okay, not this, okay, or got it. And you can do one more thing. Draw a sky parallel to the base. Then we can easily say that the triangle starts from here and ends till this scale, because the vertex, the top vertex of the triangle is here, parallel to the scale. Okay, so whatever is going to be the distance between here, the same is going to be here. Okay, so height of the triangle can be measured from any point. Okay, so this was the base of the triangle. I drew, you may say, the a line parallel to the base through the top vertex. Okay, so what's the height of this triangle from this base till this point? So this is also because the lines are parallel. Okay, now if you have to draw what's the height of the triangle, if we make it stand over AB. Now I'm not moving the paper, okay, but still I have to find out the height. So can be a tedious thing. Where is my height? I don't know. Is this the height? See, this would be the height, this side would be the height if the base is this. Okay, because height is always perpendicular to the base. No, we're talking about height, so perpendicular to the base, but your base is this one, and this angle is not 90 degree. Okay, so how to draw it? Again, the same thing. Extend your base. How extending your base actually gives you a visual, nothing more, just gives us the visual. Now here we have the height. Okay, so this is the height. Or you may do one more thing. Let's draw a line parallel to the base through point C. So what is this? So we can say the triangle starts from here, from this line, and ends at this side of the scale. Okay, so you can measure the height anywhere. Are you getting me? So means the perpendicular distance between these two, but yeah, the perpendicular, not this one. This is again slant. In दोनों के बीच में perpendicular distance. Okay, so yes, Mercy. So this is how we draw the height of the triangle. I'm telling you again, whenever you have a triangle on a paper, just try to align your eyes with the base. Okay, if you can move your notebook, just like I have to find out height with respect to this base, I'll move my notebook like this and somewhat like this. Okay, somewhat like this, and then with respect to this base, I'll find out the height. And if I have to find out the height with respect to this base, I'll move it like this, somewhat like this. Okay, and then I'll try to extend this. Okay, and then I'll find out the height. From here I'll draw a line, and initially it can be tough, but you may draw 2-3 probable lines, and with protractor you can check. Okay, and with time you'll learn to draw the correct height of the triangle. I'm drawing the height of this triangle with respect to base AB. I've just extended the base here. Here I've just extended the base. Now I'm just trying to find out where is gonna be the height. Is this the height? Is this the height? Which one is going to be the height? Okay, for me this is the height. You can measure it, but yeah, initially you may make mistakes, so you can keep the protractor like this, and I'm just aligning this line with the base here. Okay, and you can see the perpendicular to this line is pointing in this direction, so somewhere wrong, no? So the height of this triangle should be perpendicular to this base. तो ये तो perpendicular नहीं है यहाँ पर, so I need to move it like this. Okay, and here I am finding out it's 90 degree, and you can see that here the side is aligned and this is pointing in the 90 degrees. Okay, so the height of this triangle is this. Got it? So this is the height of the triangle with respect to base AB.